Maintenance machinists set up and operate a variety of machine tools and fit and assemble parts to fabricate or repair machine tools and maintain industrial machines, applying knowledge of mechanics, shop mathematics, metal properties, layout, and machining procedures. They observe, listen to, and diagnose operating machinery or equipment to correct machine malfunction and determine need for adjustment or repair. Possible classes or projects are Blueprint Reading for Machinists, Fundamentals of Machine Tools A, Fundamentals of Machine Tools B, Applied Machining 1, Shop Management, Basic Troubleshooting, Basic Blueprint Reading, Maintaining Industrial Equipment, Welding for Maintenance, Industrial Maintenance Electrical Principles, an Internship or Co-op, Introduction to 3D Printing Technology, or Engineering 1. Gateway Academy has many different options for students looking for post-secondary success. You can go straight into the workforce or go to a post-secondary school. Either way, you'll have the opportunity to take industry certifications. These certifications will give you the credentials to obtain employment or experience and knowledge to excel you in school. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to seeing you at Gateway Academy to Innovation and Technology.